guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a cool, scary tree. This is Halloween drawings. Yeah! Let's get into it. I'm going to be using this marker. You can use any marker you want. You can use a Sharpie. Just be careful to open up the window because the Sharpies smell horribly. This is, this is just a regular marker. So, excuse me. All right, let's get going. I'm going to start with... By the way, there's several different versions of a tree here on this channel, so I urge you to check out all of them. They're very, very cool different versions. I put different versions on purpose so that you have choices in terms of style. Look through this site, really look through it. There's a whole lot of stuff on here that it's gonna come up again because Halloween's amazing, and I want to give you guys choices. So let's get going. If you do love Halloween, hit that like button because I want to spread the Halloween spirit as hard as I can this year. I am very, very excited about it. So this is the stem, the trunk of the tree right here, and I'm gonna be going down with the roots. I really want the roots to be all jaggedy, so a lot of this is gonna be just randomness on my part, just random, like veins or something. Just think randomly, scary, nasty, jaggedy tree. But this is gonna have a very thin trunk. Very thin. Up here, arms of the branches. More arms. One small branch spreads to another small branch. Since you're drawing like a scary type tree, it's gonna be pretty much bare. Not a bear, but like a bear, just bare, like no leaves on it. And I'm doing, like I said, like fork. I'm keeping it very jaggedy as well, as you can tell. I'm keeping it angular. Angular is the word I was looking for. Angular. And these are basically random, these shapes I'm doing. If you just think of it like fingers, like random broken, witches' fingers or something, that's the best thing. And you're just taking it from larger, the middle stem, the middle trunk, and then making it very random and spreading out toward the top and spreading out toward the bottom as well. So I'm going to draw this straight line as well right here for maybe the grass area. And I might even draw, just for design's sake, like I don't know what, a moon or something, like over the horizon. But that's pretty much it. So essentially start with the trunk shape and build off it upward and make it jaggedy. That's a big part of it. And same thing below with the roots. Make them as random and jaggedy as you can. I hope that was easy enough. This isn't so much a follow along as much as a how-to. So this is how I normally design jaggedy, scary trees. I hope this helps you. Hopefully it did. It's really, really simple. It's not as hard as it seems. I know this looks complicated, trust me. I know it looks that way, but this is as random and made up, and you can do it just as simple as well. I'm just teaching you the thought process behind it. Thank you so much for listening. I will see you in the next video, and we're gonna go over all kinds of cool stuff. Every day we're gonna have a video until Halloween. So see you tomorrow, guys.